In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content calendar in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your ideas into scheduled tasks so your content plan is clear, organized, and easy to manage. Start by opening Monday.com and heading to your workspaces. This is the home base for everything you manage in Monday. Each workspace contains boards for different projects or teams. Go to the workspace where you keep your marketing or content planning boards so all of your items live in one place and stay consistent with your team's process. Once you're in the right board, switch to the calendar view by clicking calendar at the top. The calendar view shows your items laid out by date, which makes it much easier to see what's publishing when, spot gaps, and avoid overlap. You can think of it as your visual schedule for blog posts, videos, social content, or whatever you're planning. If your board already tracks dates, the calendar will reflect those automatically. Next, choose the day you want to schedule your content. Click directly on the date in the calendar. This opens a quick editor where you can create a new item tied to that specific day. It's a simple way to anchor your idea to a real deadline so everyone knows the intended publish date at a glance. Now add your content video information. Give the item a clear, descriptive title so it's instantly recognizable, like the platform and topic in one line. In the description or notes, summarize the concept, the audience, and the outcome you want. Include helpful context such as a working headline, the format, and any key talking points or references. If you have planning docs, scripts, or asset folders, paste links here so collaborators can find everything fast. Use consistent naming conventions so your calendar stays scannable, and add keywords that make search easier later. This is also a good place to capture important constraints like length, channel guidelines, or must include calls to action, so nothing gets missed when production starts. When you're done, click Create Task to save it. Your new item will appear on the calendar on the date you selected, giving you a clear, at-a-glance view of what's scheduled. From here, your team can open that calendar card anytime to review the details you entered and keep work aligned with the plan. That's all it takes. Head to your workspaces, open the calendar, click a date, add your content video information, and create the task. Follow this flow for each upcoming piece, and your Monday.com calendar becomes a reliable single source of truth for your entire content pipeline.